Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how is Windows 10 working on a tablet, in this case on a 8-inch tablet. I'm using right now the Lenovo Thinkpad 8, and right now I'm using the desktop mode. You can see here down I have my icons and my notifications icons, and if I swipe right and I turn on the tablet mode, all my icons and notification icons, they disappeared. But there's a good option that you can bring them back. You press on the taskbar and you can, I don't think you can see, but the first option, show app icons, show all notifications icons, show touch keyboard, and just put them all on. And you can see my icons here appeared, and my notification icons, my keyboard, my language, which is good. Here is the back button, the Cortana, which I disabled right now. I don't kind of like it so much. Here you can have all your applications, like in the desktop mode. When you press the start menu, you have this apps, so it's good that they are here on the tablet mode also. And in tablet mode you can use it just like your desktop mode. You can use many apps in the same time. Here you can like swap, like in Windows 8. You close it like in Windows 8, you open, let's close it. The only bad thing in tablet mode is you don't have your desktop, but I think that's the option of the tablet mode, so you don't have your desktop. This is your desktop, your main desktop, but you can use all your apps, desktop apps or tablet apps, metro apps, whatever they're called. You can see you can open the weather app. There is a thing, let's switch back to the desktop mode. So for example, if I have not in full screen, if I press, my tablet appears. And there's an option that in Windows 8 or 8.1 this option wasn't there. There's a keyboard, typing settings, and automatically show the keyboard when in Windows apps. So if I press now here, the keyboard doesn't appear. You see, the keyboard doesn't appear. If I open the file manager, the keyboard doesn't appear, so I need to open myself the keyboard. This option wasn't in Windows 8, which was bad, but now this option is there. So if I turn it on, you can see the keyboard appears. If I press, keyboard appears. Let's open the file manager again. If I press, the keyboard appears. So this is good. This was my main problem with Windows 8.1 in this tablet, because when I was opening, for example, Internet Explorer to search something, I needed always to come here and open the keyboard, which was kinda not so good. So this is the new notification, the Action Center, how it's called. It's pretty much like in Windows Phone, but I feel myself using it very much, because here you can turn off or turn down Bluetooth, battery saver. You can see the light also from here, tablet mode, rotation, all settings I can open from here. So this this Action Center is much better than in Windows 8.1, and I feel me using it very much. Here is the little start screen. You get used to it. If you don't like it, you can. If you don't like to have all these icons, you can unpin them, or you can turn the lifestyle off. But if you don't like it, I think you will unpin them, and if you unpin them, all these icons will close and you'll have only these apps. But I like to have the metro or modern apps here, and when I use the tablet mode, I use tablet mode very often, and this is the desktop mode, in the desktop mode but in the tablet mode. So I like how so far how Windows 10 is performing on this tablet. It's not so powerful, this tablet. Let's go in. Also, this PC, I don't know if you can see, but before, in Windows 8 or 8.1, I had free like 28 gigabytes, 30 gigabytes, but now I have free 38 gigabytes, so I have like 10 gigabytes more that is free. So like how Microsoft said, and I can see it's true, Windows 10 requires less space, so my tablet, I have more space in my tablet now, so this is a good thing. So I guess this is what you wanted to see. This is the volume. I like how there's a transparency. I don't know if you can see the transparency right now, but there is a transparency. Also here you can see the transparency, but on the start screen there is a little transparency. I don't know if you can see. I like it. I hope they bring this transparency on Windows for phones. I like to be transparency, like in Windows 7, when it's all dark or there's not transparency. It's not so good looking. So let me switch back to my tablet mode, and yeah, if you want to see something else specifically on Windows 8 for tablets, let me know, and see you on the next one, guys.